Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will install and sign in first. This gets you into the classroom quickly. Open the Play Store or App Store, search Google Classroom and tap Install. Once done, open the app and choose your school Google account or add your personal account. Make sure to accept required permissions so the app can download attachments. Enable notifications and sync now so assignments appear without delay. This prevents missed deadlines and keeps your course list current. Once signed in, join a class using the code or invitation provided by your teacher. This adds you to the roster and loads class content. Tap Stream to read announcements, then switch to classwork to open modules, attachments, and tasks. Use people to see teachers and classmates. When you need to respond, compose a post or question, attach files or drive items, and post. This keeps communication tidy and evidence of submission all in one place. Finish by opening any assignment, attaching your work, and tapping Turn in so teachers can grade it. Confirm the submission status shows submitted. Make sure to use private comments for questions or corrections. Teachers will post grades under Classwork and the Grades tab. If something goes wrong, sync errors, missing files, or upload failures, force close the app, clear cache, and sign out then back in. If problems persist, reinstall and verify you use the correct Google account and have a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.